Hey guys, Eddy Ortiz, Summit Sothebys International Realty. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to our transaction team and everybody that works on every single transaction that we have. Last week we had a 40-hour close. So from the time it went under contract to the time it actually closed, it was 40 hours. And it was truly amazing. You got to understand that what goes into something like that, it's way beyond me. It matters who you work with, right? So our transaction team was dialed in. We had all the disclosures ready to go, and therefore we were able to basically provide all those things less than 24 hours to our buyers that came through, and we got it done, guys. It was actually pretty amazing, and the buyers were able to get everything that they needed to make sure that they feel that this is the right property for them. My sellers were able to disclose everything that they needed to. We were able to get our title company, Infinity, to get us all the information that we needed in less than 24 hours. And then, within another 24 hours, we were basically done. So it's a 40-hour close. This is my second fastest closing. I had one at 20 hours. But again, there is no way that I can do this without our Summit Sotheby's team, our transaction team, and everybody else that comes with it. So I just want to give a huge shout out to them because this is a huge win, and it does matter who you work with. So I just wanted to put it out there and say thanks and for all the support and everything like that. It's a pretty big deal, and I'm excited to be part of such a team. Thanks, guys.